Hi everyone, I am Shravanthy. So coming to my qualification, I done the B.TECH in the civil engineering and I joined this Qspiders in the month of April and I got the job in the month of November. Through these 6 months, I learned a lot of things from the Qspiders. I'm a code background, I don't have enough knowledge on the software, but Qspiders helped me a lot to learn the new things on the software and mainly the internship. Sir told me a lot about the manual testing and how the testing is done in the outside of the software. So sir and madam sir helped me a lot and HR sir pushed me a lot to the requirements. I'm a civil background, so there are less requirements. But Harita ma'am and Madhu ma'am pushed me a lot for the requirements. And through there only for Raghavendra sir and Hasni ma'am, and thank you a lot for supporting me.